Good morning. How we doing? So, the last video was meant to come out, well, on the Sunday of Bristol, which was last week. But, because we was at Bristol and whatnot, didn't end up getting it out in time. And then, did not pick the camera up yesterday, which was the day after, Monday, we got back from Bristol. Didn't pick a camera up and just enjoyed just having a bit of a non-camera day. But we're back, all in the swing of it. All our vans made it there and back. We had a good time. Hopefully you guys had a good time as well. And if we seen you there, hello. Hope you had a good time. But that's not what this is all about. I am working on this. This is a 1.9, soon to be a 2.5. So this is going to be having a very, very, very similar setup to what Di's got in his 200 brake horsepower black van. So pulled literally everything apart. I think there's gear linkage I just need to disconnect. The wire loom needs to be disconnected. Bottom gearbox mount, 2 engine mounts, and she will be all out. As you can already see, most of it's already done. Drive shafts are out. Happy days. So that'll be my plan. Pull that out. It'll be a 2.5 going in. Big turbo, big injectors, big power. How is Mr. Dynamo? You good?
Yeah, man.
Alive and kicking?
Yeah.
Whoop. So this one is having so as you can see, already got the step somewhat in.
Yeah.
Just doing a few measurements, making sure it's in the right place. I've seen it, you've probably seen it a few times. It's the one with all the cool artwork all over it. Oh, there you go. And even over the sliding door. But unfortunately, that door's a bit...
Cool hard delete.
Yeah. Unfortunately. How was the TDI VR6?
Cool, yeah. It's nice wagon it is, to be fair.
It was nice seeing it drive down the road. If I remember rightly, I'll try and put a couple of pictures of him and the hydro van. It was quite good to see them two on the road.
Yeah, quite fun to drive.
A few more little bits and bobs, bed and an interior.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Good morning, people.
So we'll put you on a time lapse to see him in a bit, and we'll see John in the mo. But thought I'd just pick a camera up and have a little bit of a start. So I'm going to pull a bit more of this part. Like I said, there's only a couple more bits and bobs, and then this can come out. Ta-da! So I'll leave that to it. I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, like a good little egg, I haven't actually picked a camera up. And I've just thought about it now. I thought probably should do that. This thing is all but ready to have the engine taken out. But been working on this. Ready for his MOT. Needed rear brakes and bit of this, bit of that, bit of other stuff. She's almost ready. Just gonna fit brand spanking new drive shaft, because the old one was not very drive or shafty. Hi Jonathan, how are we?
Yeah, just fixing some oil leaks. Rock cover was loose. Stem was loose. That's broke. Rock cover gasket fell out. Literally.
Well, also done a bunch of stuff under here. Ball joints, steering arms, etc. What was it you said that weren't even tight?
Both steering arms.
Both.
I mean, I had done it with my hands.
So yeah. This van's
You still haven't used any tools to take it apart.
This is keeping you out of trouble. We'll leave John to try and fix this van and all it holds. I'm going to fit that new drive shaft into here, and then this thing is ready for ZMLT, and I'm going to go and make some coffee, because we all need coffee in our lives today. And Mr. Dynamo, it's got that step all the way in. Look at that. Ta-da! I'm going to put this down, make some cups of teas. I'll see you guys in a mo. Hopefully I don't forget. See you in a bit. Well, there we are. I finished my little bit. Our van's now diddly done. And I thought it might be good to show this. Full of mud.
To be honest, the mud was holding us together.
Literally see how much mud was in that. Cool.
Ta-ta-ta-ta. People.
But you've done the hard bit.
Yeah.
That's factory, that is. That should keep him out of trouble. This bad mama jammer is ready to go get some MOT action. And John is, well, that end cap has absolutely no thread in it. And he's just spent the last hour and a half cleaning all of the silicone out of it. Yay. I think John's just looking for an end cap now. Right, we're going to go try and find some end caps and some energy. And I'll show you what happens next. And welcome to the voiceover. I did actually lose all this footage, and when I went to go edit the other day, genuinely just could not find it anywhere. But I have now, and I thought, you know what? Just put a little bit of a video out there just showing something, because something's better than nothing. Well, I'm picking this up a lot later than I was hoping to have, but being a busy egg. MOTs, had to go run a few errands, collect up a few parts. So yeah, being a little bit here, there and everywhere, but we're here now. Dynamo is not here. He's literally just left because it is his daughter's birthday, so happy birthday to you. But he's got a fair bit done on this before he's left. So he's literally just finished this before he left. He's already got that piece there. It's currently over there. Cut this out, cut that out, remake that. Ta-da! Right, he's got to put the lip on here too, which I don't know where that is. I'm currently doing a service, well, done a service. I'm now just going to lower this. I need to lower the back to match the front. And John is lowering the front to match the back. He's just done, that's looking better. Also done a cam belt. So we're going to have a little move about, because you can probably just about see it from here. That white one on top of the truck, just there. That's coming down next to have the John Ammo treatment. And then we can start doing a bit more on this. Ta-da! Ah, and also drop that. So we'll have a move about. I'll pick you up in a minute and you can have a little watchy-see. So see them up. Well, unfortunately, just after this clip is when I actually stopped recording. I forgot the camera was behind the van recording what we was doing, and then the camera was dead, and then just didn't pick up any more footage, which was a bit of a shame, because getting this van off was eventful, because it has absolutely no gears. So as you'll see in a sec, John ends up going underneath the bonnet and we manually put it in first gear. But yeah, that was a bit of an experience. But now I found the footage, I thought it'd actually be quite good just to put a little bit of a video out of the lost footage I forgot about. But I'm going to stop rabbiting on and let you get on with your day. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please give me a massive thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumb ass. And as always, take it easy.